Now that is Force of Nature. That is some pretty compelling and dramatic uncut video. It's part of a new segment here at the Weather Network. We are going to launch it on Monday. It happens every 10 minutes on the 3s, conveniently right after your local forecast. And you know, your weather video could be featured on Force of Nature. All you have to do is upload your photos and videos to theweathernetwork.com, like our Facebook page. You can join us on the conversation on Twitter, and you can always call our storm line with everything that's happening in your community. Speaking of what's happening in some local communities, well, we still have this fire burning in just near Edmonton, Alberta. Now, it started on Friday. Authorities say it is under control, but you know, the winds are definitely not helping. So again, it started on Friday. Strong winds gusts are really making it difficult to contain this fire, but authorities are working diligently. Okay, now you know I'm in for Natalie Thomas this weekend, and you know why? Because she is getting ready to join the holiday CP train.
Snow, freezing rain, the Weather Network's on the holiday train.
Alberta and Saskatchewan, here we come. I'm going to be hopping on board the CP holiday train in Saskatoon on December 5th until the trains stop in Calgary on December 9th. And the Weather Network wants to see you out at each and every stop. From Regina to Swift Current, Medicine Hat to Calgary, we want to talk with you about your community and, of course, the weather. So get your canned food ready for local food banks and come check out the CP holiday train. We can't wait to see you.
Stay with us. More to come right after this.